look at what happens when the point lies off of the line. So this is the case when the point's on the segment. What happens if the point is off your segment? Well, actually, nothing changes. You wind up doing the exact same steps that we did in that that last construction. Okay, so those steps are: place the compass tip on your original point, construct an arc that passes through both sides of your segment, or in two places, one on each side of your given point. So I'm going to adjust my compass so that it'll intersect my segment on each side. Now, if it doesn't, you may need to extend your segment, which is fine. You can do that. So here's my designating my endpoints. So now this is an endpoint of my reference segment. This is the second endpoint of my reference segment. Now, the only difference between this and the other construction that we just did is, in this case, you don't even really need to adjust your compass. You can keep your compass the exact same here, because now if you were to place your compass tip on each of these endpoints and construct an arc, you just need to construct an arc opposite your original point. And the reason for that is when I connect these, this intersection can connect to our original point, and it will be a perpendicular to that segment. Okay, so again, if I just connect my arc intersections here and pass it through my original point, I will have my perpendicular. And now, would there be an advantage to widening your compass on this? Yeah, it's the same advantage as the last one. If you think that you want to confirm your answers, then you may want to widen it and perform the steps from both. Okay, so if I were to do that, I'll do it in this darker red. Okay, so if I place my compass tip on each of these endpoints, and I intersect above and below so that I have this confirmation, so what you should find is that it'll verify that you're passing through. Okay, and so again, in looking at this, does my construction confirm that I've passed through the correct point? Yes. It's completely up to you. You only need the minimal amount in order to get full credit for constructions. So for this one, you only needed the red marks and the green marks. You didn't need these burgundy or brown markings. So you can still do the minimal amount.